Bigon. Okay. We're here at
Hi, I love you, Luigi.
Magawarak-warak taron.
Yes, warak-warak ka.
With the beautiful BYM. Diyan ang paan dimples dyan. Ang kinakasgang dimples. Diyan. Ayan tayo, nagkabata siya eh. Uy, then mo rin, makikita nyo si BOHOL ang Europe. And then nurse sa Europe. Mura gihimong si BOHOL ang Europe to BOHOL. Nangyari na diri kay nurse na tao. Bruno Mars in the house. Bruno Mars. So guys, nami karon si Bugoy, si Joanne, si Ethel. So happy nga na ako sa kilid sa Panginoon.
Kaya magwarak-warak din yan.
Magwarak-warak ni guys. Nawa mong warak-warak ko niya guys. Hana mong bahan foods guys. So ano yung mong pagkaon no? Daghana mong pagkaon ay. Ako na bayad din ito na na. Ano yung news na mo sa pag-ars? Si Bugoy, si Bugoy, hapit na ni mapare guys. Nahawa lang sa seminar kay gihurot ang ostiya sa kaon. Kawat bahasa mo po giinom. Magkaroon na si among presidente, the Lion King. You're the Lion King. Say hi to your fans. Hi fans.
Hey everybody.
To the PYM nga absent sa mga istorya
Hey
Lion.
everybody.
Ang mga
Here today and then tomorrow.
ang mga wala absent nga PYM sa mga istorya.
Sayang, kumuliha.
Doon na siya sa London guys. Kita kang ito sexy kaayo. Ha? Sexy. Guys, we are leaving Lantaw kay mga busog na may courtesy of ETHEL. Awa. Jo. So padumi ron magwarak-warak na po. We kuan at among i-maximize ang pinakagamay nga time nga na-ibigin. With si ETHEL. Jo. Say hi to your fans, Jo.
Hi.
And
Hi to my fans if I ever have. If I ever have one.
magawas namin sa Lantaw guys niya. Padung namin sa sakyanan ni Anet.
Anet?
O,
Uy, maiksi, uy. Maiksi.
so,
Malumay.
kasi may istorya. Tel. Ano ta Lantaw?
It's alright. It's alright. I like the Mongo.
Really?
Yeah,
Yes,
it's Mongo.
there's no Mongo in London guys.
Less ingredients.
Yeah, and
But it's good, basic.
Bugay, lami ang ilang foods guys.
Okay kayo eh.
Lami kayo. Guys, padung namin sa Tagbilaran guys, sa city zone. So, mangita mi ulingaw ngadto. Og
I hope the lingaw will not go far away from us.
among Jo, grabe kayo ka Jo, mura kag 16 years old Jo. Si Anet kay Mark 17.
I'm using the puga-puga of Gumamela lipstick.
Really?
Yeah.
Not the etude.
Very.
Can you please
Not the
can you
etude.
please tell your beauty secret to the
First, you will go to the backyards,
Uh-huh.
pick up some Gumamela flowers, the pink one,
Not the yellow one.
not the yellow one, and you get the mussel and the duk-duk of paminta.
Mortar and pestle.
So, mortar and mussel.
Yeah, kon tell unsay mo ka-story sa traffic situation sa Tagbilaran.
It's very light.
It's not bad at all.
Compared to London, tell sa man.
The bridge there is falling down.
Not a lot of development as I expected.
So, are you okay
Lot
with?
of development style.
Not.
Are you okay? Not?
Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Not a
I
lot?
think, yeah,
Same as.
maybe because I'm expecting more.
Yeah.
Like by this time we should have the big malls like SM or at least
that's the
like
high-rise
yeah,
building.
high-rise building. Because you can see the progress in the city. More.
You know, Tel,
You know.
Bohol is not
If it's monopolized
Yeah.
by certain
Be-
people, then it's gonna be.
and also you should ato giingunit nga kuan ang
I
ilang
don't know which one.
bedrock ba niya?
kuan.
So the foundation is not
soft.
that good.
No,
Is it?
no, kuan siya kanang
But you can dig in more deeper.
da
if you want big
ang ihang ang
construction.
sa kuan dili ta kayo nga dili
Ang
dili
ujog-ujog.
rock.
Di ba na siya?
So, dili idea lang Bohol to take a run.
Sa pag first year na ho ba?
Okay, after few years, na ay mga sinkholes nga mo appear.
Kuan siya kanang nabitaw uban bitaw na. Ang iyang composition
So, we
niya sa
can
iya.
never-
Ang composition sa
But at
foundation
this-
sa
Facts,
land
facts.
ba?
But
We're
at this
discussing
moment
facts,
in
guys.
time, the
The more-
technologies and everything, they can build anything. Like in Japan, you can see, di ba? Because of
But
the
I think-
limitation of the land, they can just build upward, not sideward. So that means if they can do it, why cannot we do it?
Why
It's-
can't we do it in
Yeah,
Bohol?
exactly.
But since we just moved the airport to Panglao, because before it was here, so that is why there is no high-rise building because of the
But then-
airport.
No, my question
now-
is,
But now I think they are starting to welcome big businesses here.
but they
Investors.
No, I think they're being blocked by some other corrupt.
That's
yeah,
also
Monopoly.
That's also
Monopoly.
one
Some
reason.
politician.
Yeah, exactly. That's why you know when they wanted
Businessman,
Ibasco, are you with
nakalimot yung
Ibasco
kusakuan.
or
Yeah.
are you pro Ibasco
But
or
you know,
I am
guys,
pro.
yeah, pro
Ako po.
Ibasco?
If-
It's because more progress are expected if he's gonna win, but unfortunately, wala.
He didn't.
Eh,
So,
the people are still
Yeah, by my but my expectation.
Limestone data.
limestone.
Pasabot nimo kana magong limestone.
Ang composition na to ba?
Composition sa
Ang foundation na to sa Bohol.
O kana magong
What's the
limestone.
difference?
Kanang limestone
Very
kanang
weak.
na siya kuanan og water.
Mahilis?
Kuana mahilis na siya.
Okay, so
Or
So,
if not move na siya.
So what you want to say, Tel, that if they maybe in
But
Japan
they
it is an
can dig
earthquake prone
more.
area, ha?
But if they have to dig more para ang foundation is even sturdy ba? Unlike kung shallow lang ang
Because
foundation.
Bohol is just a small island.
What,
It,
murag
it's
dili ka
considered as an island and considering the fact
But then
that
if you can see, which have we got even one high rise? No,
No, not yet.
not even now. Unsa may pinakataas
there,
nga story?
there's a limitation.
Para na Kio Hotel may pinakataas.
Q. How many floors?
No, the police.
Up to 8.
Nine.
Nine?
Ace Hospital.
Ah,
Ace Hospital.
where's that? Asa may?
Nasa Mansasa?
Mansasa.
In
Okay,
Mansasha.
ilan floors?
Mansasha.
How many floors?
8.
Hey,
So I think it's not anymore
not considered
advisable or considered to build more than
higher.
10 floors.
Considering the new technology today,
Yeah.
Exactly. Considering the new technologies,
Because
I'm sure we can do it. They can do it. Okay. It's impossible if you say
You're going to
Bohol, the
put-
whole of Bohol are all limestone. And then Cebu, you can see Cebu, they're all high rise. So what's the
They-
difference? Cebu
but I
it's really your dream to become a policeman.
Rightly.
No.
It's far from
it's very far,
Far
from
from
my
from your
kokote.
expectations.
very far from my dreams, my
Yeah,
expectations.
I really,
So how come that you're now
a police
a
officer,
police dog?
Maybe I consider that as God's plan for me.
Which one?
The being a law enforcer. Nataron sa simbahan ni Father Ernest. But unfortunately, Tuwa sa Manila si Father Arlen. So we'll go back to the original plan. Guys, pamandiya si Father Arlen, so balik ni sa kuan.
Manila, Father.
Sa Manila si Father, so balik ni sa lagi sa kuan na. Balik. Close good. All doors are closed. Even windows. Kanang we're going back to the city. Gusto juga ko makadungog sa huni ug awit sa akong idol nga si Johnny. Sa iyang mga pakurog-kurog nga tingog.
In English, John.
Padung sa kuan guys sa Pujol Grills with Joanne at the back. Bugoy and Ethel. So, asa na bet? Dire John, Pikas. Welcome guys.
Mangga.
So guys,
Mangga, avocado, pineapple.
yan ang dire. Magandang din sa magandang unos. Tanaw mo na ako guys ha, magkanta kami tabi. Ang unang mo kanta, bisan pa sa iyo. Tanaw mo guys! Sadya to ron! Biladet, Joanne, ni Joy, and Ethel. We're having a party. This is the party. Welcome and during the party. One, two, ready. Manang magpasilo sa Indo. Indo siya. Kana! Sawas ka no? Okay. Lumit kanta ay. Hi guys.
Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can see it, nobody but you for all my life. Brand new in the sky should be here for all my life. See you, no matter how it was the dice, you used to be the only one for me is you, and you're for me, so happy together.
And that's the first time I hear June sing that.
It's my life. I was looking for someone
Like a bird on a tree,